passion is instinctive, it's powerful, and it's what drives us to be the best. It's the pursuit of greatness. And to be great at anything, we must equip ourselves with the very best tools. Today, we rely on the convenience of our smartphones to tell our stories. But quick and easy shouldn't mean we have to compromise on quality. Building on the ShiftCam ProLens legacy, introducing Lensultra. 7 new mobile lenses and filters that will elevate, enhance, and advance your imagery to a whole new level. We live in incredibly exciting times where our mobile cameras are now more powerful than we ever thought possible. But your camera is only as good as your lens can capture. And that is why we've spent the last 18 months working tirelessly to incorporate a new material into each lens piece to deliver uncompromising quality, incomparable clarity, and greatly enhanced bokeh. So you can think less about your limitations and more about your creativity. We're proud to be the first to incorporate a rare earth material, fluorite, into every one of our lenses. The result? Incomparable focus of light and color for edge-to-edge clarity. The extreme precision surface finishing of each lens piece delivers silky smooth bokeh, turning moments into gold. Make the most of larger camera sensors with our bigger mobile lenses. Purpose designed with space efficiency in mind. 7 new lenses, 2 new filters, and our strongest mounting system yet locks your lens in place. Grow your ecosystem and combine them to create endless possibilities in imaging. Attach filters to your lenses or attach them directly to your case, reinforced with aluminum for precision lens alignment. 2-meter drop-proof protection, and of course, MagSafe compatibility for charging on the go. And what's more, it's universal, built to last, and compatible with all smartphones and the rest of your ShiftCam gear.
We did it. 5 years of hard work and development has led us here. The quality of these mobile lenses surpass anything available on the market to date. Bigger lenses, better clarities, and beautifully enhanced bokeh. We are talking about more freedom than ever to capture what's around you, with incredible quality, reliability, and usability. Your creation will be so good that the only thing left to do is to share them. Join us on our Lensultra journey as we strive for the best in mobile content creation. Thank you.